Alright guys, so I've already started by taking off this trim piece that runs along right here. I've taken off the kick panel and also the cover of the front dash right here. Next we're going to start by taking out the whole blower assembly. It's really easy to do. All you got to do is take out this bolt. There's one up above it. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. And then on the right side of it, that one right there, you'll need to take off this with those two Phillips screws. And then you'll need to unplug this plug right here, as well as this one right here. Once you disconnect and unbolt everything, the whole blower assembly should drop out. Now on other Nissan and Infiniti vehicles, the blower assembly would have a little door or a cover right here where you could normally just slide in an air filter, similar to this picture right here. However, on the 350Z, they decided not to put that. So we have to separate this. You can start by flipping the assembly upside down and remove 7 of these Phillips screws along the perimeter. Now that you have all the screws removed, you can start by taking a flathead screwdriver and going along all these clips. Be careful because they crack very easily. You really just want to stick the screwdriver in there until you can get it started and slowly go around, and you'll be able to get them all off. I've noticed it starts easier if you start on the back side that looks like this. Helps to have 2 screwdrivers, so once you get it starting to go, you can keep one in there to keep it from closing, and then just slowly work your way around. Once you have it separated, you can see how dirty it gets in here. Alright, so I went a step further and I took out the blower fan. It's 3 screws on the bottom, and I went ahead and cleaned all the inside as good as I could with some something with bleach or something to kill all the mold or bacteria that's been growing in there, and should hopefully eliminate some of the smell. So now to the top half, there's a screw you remove on this cover, and then you can lift it out. And I think it goes this way. No, it goes that way. So it fits in there pretty well. This is, I believe the lady at AutoZone said it was from an 03 Altima. It's really weird that Nissan did this because it looks like it was designed to fit a filter in here. They just made it really hard to do. These tabs will hold that filter down tight. And then you just reinstall your screw. Alright, so now that the filter is in there, we can go ahead and reassemble everything and put it back in the car. Okay guys, probably the hardest part of this, putting it back. On the back of the blower, there's this thing right here. And that stud on your firewall has to go in there. It's kind of tricky to get in. Alright, if you guys think this is going to be too involved, I've seen people take house filters and cut them up, and they just fit them in the opening here in the cowl. Alright, I hope this helps some of you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment box below.